Well, here's the latest truck I bought. It's a 52 International. Another $500 special here. Truck had been sitting in a pasture for many years. But surprisingly, it's very rust-free though. Even the floors aren't rusted out. It's pretty solid, everything. Even around the windshield, a lot of times that'll rust out in these Internationals. The fancy seats look like they're out of maybe a Lincoln or something. Cab corners look good, and well, there's the license plate. So, well, 1974, so I'm not sure. Tabs are gone, so probably late 70s is the last time this thing was on the road. Yeah, even this side ain't too bad. Hey, these trucks are sort of neat. These hoods, you can open them up from either side. They're hinged on. Tilts that way, or you can see where it hooks on that side. You can tilt it this way, or you can flip both levers and but you can remove it completely to work on the motor. So that's sort of a neat idea. But the next step is to give her a bath and see if we can get this paint to come back some, but you can see it's really oxidized bad. So I don't know. It might come back some, so we'll give her a bath and go from there. Okay, just using some Dawn soap and some warm water and a Scotch Brite pad. Not sure if that's picking up on camera, but you know, oxidized, not oxidized, oxidized. You can see it's all coming off pretty good, so maybe I'll luck out with this truck and it'll look halfway decent when I'm done. So I'll keep doing that and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, just do a little update here. I had to pull the truck inside. The water was starting to freeze outside, but it's amazing, all this surface rust is even coming off the hood here. Let me get some of this washed off here. You see there's that half of the hood. There's this half, but I don't know if you can see. Gotta be careful though. I went through the paint a little, but I don't know if you can see right there too how it's really coming off nice. Even the door, there's all those streaks rust on the door there. That all came off nice. So far so good. I'm gonna keep scrubbing and see how it turns out. We'll go from there. Okay, time for some linseed oil. This is the brand I use. It comes from Menards. About 25 bucks for a gallon. Do roughly 10 trucks with it. I just use a sponge. All you gotta do is put a nice light coat on it. Usually I'm in the shop today because it's so cold outside, but in the shop you're gonna probably have to use once you put it on, use a cloth rag and just wipe off the excess. Outside the sun will dry it up and you can but you can see how it brings the color back. But yeah, you don't want to get any run, so it's this nice light coat. And we'll go from there and we'll see how she turns out. Well, here's how it is so far. I don't know if you can see with the hood there. Makes a world of difference, the linseed oil. But I'll keep putting her on and go from there. Well, here's how the truck turned out. In my opinion, pretty good. And I just wanted to make a correction. I believe I said a 52. This is actually a 53 International. I think I messed up at the beginning of the video, but I don't know, remember at the beginning all the rust on this door that all came off so nice. It's a little bit of Scotch Brite pad and scrubbing, and interior, I just washed, all I did is washed it out. It turned out pretty good. Seats look pretty sweet. Whoops. Yeah, it's just scrubbing and linseed oil. It's all it took. And the rims, I just gave it a coat of black paint and some Armor All on the tires. Of course, tires are old. They'll need to be replaced, but just to make her look a little nice. Geez, it's icy out here. I'm almost fell. See, there's a lot of rust on the roof too. That all scrubbed off. Yeah, so Scotch Brite pads, linseed oil is about $3. Paint, you know, I think it's about $5 for a can of paint. I use just one can from Menards. Armor All $3-4. It's about $15-20. A little bit of spray paint in the emblem. I think that looks pretty nice. I masked it off and painted it black and red. It's supposed to be chrome, but the chrome it all peeled off, but I think it looks pretty nice. So $15-20 to get it looking like that. I don't think it turned out too bad. So if you like these kind of videos, please subscribe. Got a couple more projects there in the background. There's a 52 and a 54 Chevy. I'll have videos on them coming out here hopefully in the next couple weeks. So yeah, please subscribe. If you have any comments or you like these old trucks, please comment. And if you like the videos, please click the like button, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.